Large quantities of white paraffin lumps are repeatedly washed up on the beaches of the North Sea islands, a residue from shipping that is not only unsightly, but also poses a threat to the environment and wildlife. Quick action is required here. The island municipality of Juist relied on proven and professional technology for beach cleaning, the BeachTech BT 2500. With its powerful screening technology, the machine efficiently removes residue from the sand, even in difficult ground conditions. As a result, the beach was clean again, in no time at all, for the protection of nature and the safety of bathers. BeachTech, for clean beaches worldwide.